the next team which is going to present is Manjusha and Latika on the topic Biofloc monitoring system for fish farming.
Using machine learning.
Okay, you can start.
So good morning everyone, and thank you for having me present our project. Our project name is IoT based smart Biofloc monitoring system for fish farming. So
Your presentation is not visible. Yeah.
So our objective of the project is to develop an IoT-based smart biofloc monitoring system that uses machine learning to optimize fish farming conditions. So maintaining optimal water quality is essential for fish health and productivity. However, traditional monitoring methods are often manual, time-consuming, and prone to errors. Our system addresses these challenges by integrating Arduino, pH sensors, and support vector machine algorithms. These innovative solutions provide real-time monitoring, predicts water quality trends, and automates control measures to maintain optimal conditions. Uh, so our abstract is to enhance fish farming by automating water quality, the same thing which I mentioned before. So literature survey is followed by Latika.
Sir, actually we have done 6 literature survey. The first literature survey is, the title of the paper is IoT based start biofloc monitoring system for fish farming using machine learning, sir. And the year of publication is 2004. The methods used in that literature survey is IoT based system for biofloc monitoring using low cost sensors, applied machine learning algorithm. The inference of the first literature survey is cost efficient solution for poor farmers, high accuracy. The second literature paper is fish monitoring in aquaculture using multi-beam. The year that is published is 2003, and the methods used in that is multi-beam, echo sounder, and deep learning for machine under fish detecting and localizing. And the third literature paper is EcoBot transformer, and it is published in the year 2020. It detects the disease of the fish in the fish farming, sir. Sorry, sir, you're not audible.
Yeah, your voice is like wavering. Please, all of you, keep your device on. Yeah, please carry on.
Yes. In the existing system, most fish farms relies on manual or semi-automated systems. Conventional system using basic sensors to measure pH level, but lack of predictive analysis. Remote monitoring is limited or unavailable. Inconsistent monitoring disadvantages of existing systems are initial setup cost for sensors, IoT devices, and cloud service may be high. System eligibility depends on the availability on stable internet connectivity. The problem statement will be explained by Manjusha.
So, okay, sir. Our project is to propose system which integrates IoT system and machine learning to create a smart biofloc monitoring system for fish farming. A pH sensor connected to node MCO continuously measure water acidity levels. If pH level deviates from the optimal range, the system triggers an automatic water pump motor to adjust water quality. Data collected from sensor is analyzed using SVM, that is support vector machine algorithm, is to predict ends and detect anomalies. Real-time data is sent to the cloud platform, enabling remote monitoring and decision making. So it can help to save the lives of the aquatic fish, aquatic life. Um, so this is a block diagram. Our pH sensor and ultrasonic sensors are connected, and in LCD display it shows the pH value of the uh, real time. And if any changes is occur in water pH level, it automatically triggers the automatic system to pump out the water out and refill the water automatically. Okay, so the working principle is the IoT, these sensor, sorry, the working principle is the IoT-based smart biofilm monitoring system continuously monitoring water quality parameter using pH, temperature, and dissolved oxygen sensors. These sensors send real-time data to node NCO, which processes the information of transmits it to cloud platform via Wi-Fi. A machine learning algorithm analyzes data to detect anomalies and predict water quality trends. If the system detects an abnormal pH level, it triggers a relay module to activate water pump motor, automatically adjusting the water quality. Users can remotely monitor the system through a dashboard or mobile app, receiving real-time alerts and recommendations for maintaining optimal fish farming conditions. So,
You guys build any prototype?
yes, sir, we have a demo video of that. So,
Okay, can share that video.
okay.
You can see the video, you can play the video and explain it.
So this is our demo. So this is our project demo video. The working of a project is that the pH sensor monitor water quality and sends data to Arduino. The SVM algorithm then processes this data, predicting water quality trends and detecting potential issues. If necessary, the system triggers the water pump motor to adjust the water quality. Real-time data is sent to the cloud platform, enabling remote monitoring and ensuring optimal conditions. This smart system improves fish farm management, reduces manual intervention, and enhances productivity and sustainability. So, in now with
Done, carry on. So
that's all. So, if you have any
that's
questions,
all. If anyone have any questions, please you can ask the questions. You can interact with the audience.
if anyone had any questions, please ask.
Okay. I don't think anyone have any questions. So thank you, team.